Sahelanthropus chidensis, known to the world as Toumai, is one of the most captivating and mysterious figures in the story of human evolution. A fossilized face staring out from 7 million years ago, challenging everything we thought we knew about our origins. Picture the Miocene epoch in what is now Chad, a landscape of tangled forests and expanding grasslands where ancient rivers carved through the earth and the air was thick with the calls of creatures long vanished. Into this wild, dangerous world stepped Sahelanthropus, a being caught between worlds, not quite ape, not quite human, but a crucial player at the dawn of our lineage. Discovered in 2001 by Michel Brunet's team, the nearly complete cranium and jaw fragments of Sahelanthropus immediately set the scientific world ablaze with debate. Its skull is a mosaic of features, a sloping, elongated cranium and heavy brow ridges echoing its deep primate ancestry, yet a relatively flat face and small canine teeth hint at a future that would one day lead to us. The biggest clue lies in the foramen magnum, the hole where the spinal cord exits the skull, positioned more underneath than behind, suggesting this ancient creature may have walked upright, balancing its head atop a bipedal body. This single anatomical quirk has fueled endless theories. Was Sahelanthropus the first hominin, the ancestor of us all, or a side branch destined for extinction? Some scars on the skull's base suggest strong neck muscles, sparking debate over whether it was a true biped or still spent much of its time on all fours. But what was life like for Toumai in this perilous world? The jaws and teeth of Sahelanthropus paint a picture of a survivor. Small incisors and thick enamel, built for processing tough, fibrous foods, roots, nuts, seeds, and fruits scavenged from the Miocene undergrowth. It likely foraged opportunistically, using its upright stance to scan for danger and reach for food, eking out a living in a world where every meal was hard-won. Sahelanthropus was not a predator, but the hunted, living in constant fear of saber-toothed cats, giant crocodiles lurking in rivers, and massive birds of prey circling overhead. Without claws, fangs, or great speed, its best defenses were vigilance, perhaps the safety of small groups, and the evolutionary experiment of upright walking, a gamble that may have helped it survive in the shifting environments of ancient Chad. Theories about Sahelanthropus's place in our family tree are as dramatic as any thriller. Some researchers argue that Toumai marks the very moment our lineage split from chimpanzees, making it the missing link that bridges the gap between ape and human. Others point to its ape-like brain size and robust features, suggesting it might be closer to the ancestors of gorillas, or an evolutionary dead end, a shadowy figure whose only legacy is a battered skull and a swirl of controversy. The fossil record offers only tantalizing clues. No limb bones, no tools, no evidence of fire or culture, just a face frozen in time and the mysteries it carries. The scariest theory? That Sahelanthropus was not alone. The Miocene may have been a crucible of evolutionary experimentation, with multiple hominid species roaming the same forests, competing for food, and perhaps even preying on each other. Did Toumai witness the rise and fall of its own rivals? Did it face extinction at the hands of its kin, or from the jaws of ancient predators? The silence of the fossil record leaves these questions hanging, a chilling reminder of how much we have yet to discover. Despite the gaps in the debates, Sahelanthropus chidensis stands as a ghostly pioneer at the edge of prehistory. Its life a blend of adaptation, danger, and mystery. Its skull, with its haunting mix of ape and human traits, is a silent witness to a world where survival meant constant vigilance, and every evolutionary experiment could mean the difference between extinction and the chance to walk upright into the future. Every time we take a step, every time we look over our shoulder, we echo a journey that began millions of years ago in the shadowy forests and deadly grasslands of ancient Chad, where Toumai once lived, alone, alert, and forever on the edge between survival and oblivion.